Mahars of the Mahar regiment are actually a backward community according to our caste basis. But they are very brave. They showed great courage in wars, not one but many wars, and acquitted themselves admirably. Initially, they served in Chhatrapati Shivaji's army, and Shivaji greatly trusted the Mahars. Later on, they served in the British Indian Army, and their exploits during the Second World War are very creditable. One battalion served in Burma during the Second World War. Another battalion was involved in frontier columns in northwest frontier and Baluchistan. And during the partition of the country, the Mahars were employed on protecting the Muslims mainly, and later on evacuating them to Pakistan. In fact, one of the battalions was sent to Pakistan after partition, and from there they brought back a lot of Hindus, Sikhs, and many women, children in distress from there under very dangerous conditions. I may mention here that at the time of partition, the two countries could indicate if they didn't want a particular battalion to come for evacuation purposes, because they felt they may be communally inclined. However, in the case of the Mahars, because of the good work they had done in East Punjab, the Pakistanis readily accepted that they will accept a Mahar battalion. They were deployed in Multan, Muzaffargarh, and Dera Ghazi Khan, which is across the Indus River. And from there brought about 6 lakhs of Hindus and Sikhs. Then came the first Kashmir War, in which the 1st Battalion initially participated and later a part of 3rd Mahars. In the war in Kashmir in 1947-48, the Mahars earned a Mahavir Chakra and a number of Veer Chakras and other awards. Their action in particular at Jhangad was attacked by a vast force of the Pakistanis and raiders, and there was for a time a withdrawal from Jhangad area. But the Mahars stuck to their posts, and the detachment that was there kept on firing and killed a large number of enemy till they themselves were overrun by superior forces. The Indian Army in 47-48, the government record says that the action of Mahars at Jhangad is unparalleled in the history of warfare. I think that is a great credit to the regiment. Otherwise, they served in other areas also in 47-48, right up to Zojila Pass, in Titwal, in Uri, in Rajouri, Poonch, and almost everywhere they got honors and awards. Then came the 62 war, but before that, the original 3 pure Mahar battalions were strengthened in the regiment by induction of 3 border force battalions, 4, 5, and 6th battalions. So some of these units, both Mahar and border force, participated in the 62 war. They did very well. And when 65 war came soon thereafter, a number of Mahar battalions participated in that war, received not only honors and awards, but also battle honors. Battle honor is something which recognizes the overall performance of the whole unit. An award is given to an individual, but a battle honor to a unit is a great achievement in war. It is what all the units look for. So we got a number of battle honors in that 65 war, like Joria Khalid, Kalidhar, Tilakpur, Mehdipur, Sejra, Asaluttar. The name is very interesting. And Asaluttar was given to the enemy, having destroyed large Pakistani force and a number of tanks there.